This is the new smartwatch. This is not an Apple Watch or the Samsung Gear or anything from Microsoft or Motorola. It is directly from a Chinese brand, and this is everything you need to know about it. So out of the box directly, we get our hands onto the smartwatch itself. Inside the box, we get a USB Type-B cable, Type-A on the other side to plug it into a laptop, power bank, or AC supply, maybe wherever you want. Deep inside is the basic paperwork revealing instructions on how to synchronize your smartphone with the watch, charging procedure, and specifications. Next, we have got screen cleaning tool, both dry and wet papers to remove dirt from the touch panel before applying the screen protector itself, which has also been included in the box. The watch comes in three main colors, black, white, and rose gold. For the record, I am using the rose gold version, which looks pretty impressive on my wrist. So to power it up, hold down the button below the screen for a second or two. So there you go, you have your home screen ready right at 0 o'clock. As we head down to the app drawer, we see that we have got plenty of apps here, including the basics like messaging, calling, contacts, a setting, calculator, calendar, profile, pedometer, sleep monitor, Facebook, and finally Twitter and WhatsApp. Well, that's a lot of apps, seriously. Still, Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat missing. So without having to tap on the smartphone, you can make a phone call directly from the watch as it has both speakers and microphone. Also, you can write text messages, but yeah, this is going to take you a lot more time than you need to do the same job on your phone. Typing on traditional numerical keyboard is difficult, especially on a small screen like this one. There's more for the watch to offer you, which includes pedometer to keep record of your health represented statistically. Another good feature is the sleep monitor, which frankly speaking, even I don't have any idea about. 2 seconds and you're sleeping good. I don't get it. Wow, we got the watch of the smartwatch. Just tap on the screen and your default watch style changes. Now let's give it some juice of life. Just pull the strap out of the side and connect any source of power you want. I'm using a power bank here. Wow, voila! Charger connected, is charging now! Well, I don't think it will take longer to charge fully because it has a less ampere capacity, maybe around 500 mAh. Next, we shift our focus to the camera, which is only 0.3 megapixel. Yes, 0.3 megapixel, I mean VGA. I opened the back casing of the watch and now removing the battery to insert a microSD to access the camera because I don't think it comes with any built-in internal storage. After all, it's not a $700 Apple Series watch, okay? Damn, I really had difficulty inserting that SD card. Well, now let's restart it and test the camera. I've taken a few good pictures with it. It's just not totally bad. Even if you don't have a phone with you, you can't really capture a glimpse of the scenario in case of urgency. It might come handy to you. To synchronize your phone with the watch, simply scan the barcode that is right inside the manual guide using a scanner which you can get one in the Play Store. Put the whole code into the frame, just right. From the following link, download the app BT notification associated with the functionality of this watch. Once you are done with that, enable all the accessibility settings from the app and you are good to go. The next step requires you to turn on the Bluetooth on both of these devices and you know the rest. Just simply pair them up. So now, everything you play on your phone will reach your watch, at least for the case of the sound. Let's increase the volume a bit. You can listen here. The quality of the sound is okay, but its loudness is pretty decent. Don't expect it to be so loud, Forget the music, you can leave your phone behind and use just your watch to communicate with someone when they call you through the microphone that is positioned right along the camera line. Of course, don't go too far away because the range may be 7 to 8 meters. It's really unspecified here, so I can't be sure. The watch features only one physical button just below the screen and no other touch or physical buttons anywhere. This works as a home button while in any app and as lock button while on home screen or when the display is just off. Talking about the build quality, I must say that it's quite durable, at least when you think of the strong rubber bands. You can squeeze it multiple of times, dip those bands in water to clean them up, still looks pretty fresh just like after the new box. Also, it feels very comfortable on the hand when working. One of the main and major benefits of using this smartwatch is that you don't really have to take your phone out of the pocket, which is in general the job of this kind of watches. So you can literally save a lot of battery life of your phone at the expense of that of the watch. But this watch doesn't run out of juice without ending the day. So at the end of the day, it's about 1/3 of the initial charge that is left over. That's quite reasonable. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash the like button and comment below what sort of tech you want next, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.